guys, don't really have any projects going on today. We ended up working for the majority of the day yesterday on my brother's LSX Fiero that he's building. If you don't already follow him, check out his Instagram. It's LSX Fiero, and we're putting a 5.3 liter, I forget what, it's not an LQ4, but anyways, we're putting a 5.3 out of a wrecked Impala SS into a 1986 Pontiac Fiero. So the whole subframe and all that is all from the front of the Impala, and it's going in the back of the Fiero. So it's a pretty cool project. We were getting pretty close on it. So anyways, up here at Mom and Dad's house, and figured I'd do a little walk around on my dad's 5th gen Camaro Bad Jewel. So here it is right behind me. It's been in some old videos before. We've been trying to push it further and further. It's a 6-speed car, so you can kind of only go so fast with the 6-speed, and it's easier to break axles and drivetrain components and everything else. So anyways, we'll go ahead and give it a walk around and see what this thing's all about. So pretty basic rundown of the car. My dad got this brand new in 2010. He custom ordered it. It was one of the first new 5th gens to come off of the lot, and he had Tom Henry Racing down the road. They put a Edelbrock E-Force Supercharger on it, stainless works header, stainless works full exhaust, and they did a custom tune on it, and they called it the Tom Henry Racing car. Well, the Tom Henry Racing package. So this car is number 31, the number 31 Tom Henry Racing car for 2010. So it's kind of a local thing here in Pittsburgh that Tom Henry Chevrolet has done a couple Camaros. He used to do the older 99, 98, that body style 4th gen, and just now started doing the 5th gen and the 6th gen. So it progressed a lot. From it made 550 wheel horsepower whenever we got it from Tom Henry, and I think it ran a best time of like 1180 something at like 122, being a 6-speed car on a Nitto NTO 5. No, it's an NT 555R is what tires were on it, on the stock wheels. Anyways, in 2013, we did heads and a cam, different pulley, and a couple other things, and it made too much heat and not enough fuel, and we cracked the number 7 piston in the stock LS3. So I think 2014, then we put a Lingenfelder 417 stroker motor in it. Same blower, it's still a positive displacement Edelbrock E-Force. So we did the 417 stroker, pulley, AFCO heat exchanger with dual fans. It's got ID 850 injectors, LS9 clutch out of a ZR1 Corvette that is actually not holding up too well. And then just about a year ago, we had Jake from Dominate Tuning, who does all of our tuning, best guy in the freaking business, local to us. He put a Dominate tune on this car, and it made 698 wheel horsepower and 727 foot-pounds of torque. And it made that on 10 pounds of boost on straight 93 pump gas, no meth, nothing. So the car is still extremely tame. We can turn the boost up, do a little more heat, cooling mods, methanol injection, E85. I mean, you can go as high as you want. It's still a 6-speed car. We don't want to lose any of the drivability factor of it, and my dad's pretty happy with where it's at now, so it's kind of probably just going to stay here. Hood open. But, just got the Edelbrock E-Force on there. Different pulley combo. Has a stock 90mm throttle body, Rotofab cold air intake, stainless works headers. I mean, the car is very simple build. Nothing is ported, nothing crazy, and it still makes almost 700 wheel. So we could take it a lot further. It's got bigger axles in it, but I think we're already starting to have some clutch issues with it slipping the LS9 clutch, and it still has the stock drive shaft in it. So it's probably about tapped out from where we're at now, and I'm not sure if we're going to do anything else preceding this. But give you guys a cold start here. It sounds awesome. intro here to the Bad Jewel video. Heading back down south, going back home. Nice weekend up at mom and dad's. Got to go swimming. Got my dog in the back. She is exhausted and probably gonna sleep the entire rest of the trip back. But hope you guys like that video. Subscribe, like, all that stuff. Got more content coming. Thanks, have a great day.